This time, let me explain oil extra vessel oil extra series GT-P60XW. This one is oil extra series. What is oil extra series? Is that the difference is this hammer case inside is sealed and kind of liquid type oil is inside instead of grease. Normal type is a grease. This one is like liquid type oil. What is the advantage? One is the sound is lower, and another is long lifetime, and the engine is not easy to stop because for normal type the grease is spread out and some of the movement stuck, but this one won't. And some of the inside parts also different. For the design also different, and for this one the handle is smaller and easy to grip it even if it's a female worker. And another is for this one is made from steel. It's very heavy, and this one is aluminum, very light. And we change the size of the hammer length, so it's longer to get the higher torque. And this is adjustment. You can by one lever you can change the right side, left side, and the torque also. This one is left, right, and high torque and low torque. Let's see the difference of the sound volume. Okay, one good point of this product is this adjustable lever, and you can change the speed. You can change the speed. Okay, so let's see the difference of the noise level. So this is oil extra type, and this is noise meter. And let's check the noise. The noise level is around 92. And this one is normal impact type. The noise level is around 96.